So I got new equipment in. It's a REM pod EMT. Let's say you already have a REM pod EMT. This REM pod here is a prototype version of this. There's only like a 7 or 10 of these made, and that was it. This is a prototype. The reason why I got a new one, because since this is a prototype and only like, I can't remember exactly, it was 8 or 9 years ago, around 7 or 10 were made, and since this is so rare and probably high value, I decided to just put it in retirement because I don't want anything to happen to it, and don't mind those. Those are just my model train rolling stock. I kept model trains for years and years and years, way before I even started paranormal investigation. So basically, here's REM pod EMT. Got it in yesterday. Came with a little paper on top, which I had to use a knife a little bit, get it up. Bottom, there's a switch, and that's for the ATDD feature. Turn it on. The ATD feature is on. You push this up. It'll blink. And here you can basically do the range. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Supposedly, Gary increased the sensitivity range compared to the original. The original basically has everything inside right here in the prototype version. It works though. It's just a little finicky because I think what they use for a power switch, and being down in my basement, a little dusty. Because sometimes it gets really dusty in here. I have to blow it out. But see, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's basically the same thing as this. The antenna is much more higher because this is I don't think that's weird. Okay, it's either something's here setting off or I'm doing it. Because it's not doing it again. Is there something that's setting that off? That is really weird. So apparently it's me. That's weird. The range increase on this new one, much wider range. Let me turn this on. Let me see. I'm like not that close here. You gotta get pretty close than this one. So the range did increase by like 7 inches, according to what Gary said. And by the way, when you buy DS products from Gary Golka products, there's some people complaining about they're buying on eBay and it's not working and stuff. Don't buy them on eBay. Go on pro-measure.com. Oh, I'll probably put in my comment, whatever. DS website. That's where I buy all my stuff. I buy directly from Gary Golka. I won't go anywhere else but him. Because when you buy used paranormal equipment like this, you're going to have problems. Especially on eBay, because there's a lot of people complaining that they bought eBay and it's just not working properly. So, looking to buy his equipment, Gary Golka's equipment, go directly to his website and buy it directly from him. Well guys, this is this video. Hope you guys enjoyed.